So we are in Rwanda and now we're getting ready to explore this very interesting country.
Wow, the roads are just amazing here and the scenery is just beautiful.
And there are no speed bumps, everything is clean, and it's a pleasure to ride. And this is an amazing explanation of why this country is called a land of the thousand hills. And also, I think we could call it the land of a million smiles, because Rwandese are amazingly warm and friendly people, and having in mind the horrors that were happening here not so very long ago, it's amazing how these people live now, how well disciplined, how clean and structured their life is, how they're actually moving to a brighter future. I really wish that everything would go well for this country. I really enjoy it here.